Kindly I request, if anyone has not registered, kindly register it. And t-shirts are also available, you can take it. And I request children and the family members to go for lunch. And as we have the important agenda to discuss now, I request all the alumni to come into the in front of the stage, please. All the alumni members of TKS, kindly come into the arena. It's my request. Now we have the important agenda to discuss. As our Sandeep Singh Bhaiya advised, and with this meeting we can know what is the important of forming alumni, and for the further proceedings for formation of association as TKS alumni, I hand over the mic to our 86 batch DMK Dada.
Good afternoon, all of you. The most revered chairman of Kosala School, Subbarao sir, respected members of the management of this great school, revered teachers, and friends and our family members. It's a wonderful occasion that we are meeting today. I think, as said by many of the speakers, for the first time it's happening. The batches of around 15 batches from 83 to 99 are meeting for the first time. And being the school, we are from such a school which has been visualized, dreamt and built by the farmers community of our locality. You can imagine their vision, their thought process of building the school. Its need at those times. Now many schools are coming, but this school is having a special place. Not only among the alumni of us. As the alumni, wearing this t-shirt today, having the logo of our school, the Kosala School, Sacrifices Joy. I think every one of us have no words to express our emotions and feelings. All of you have seen the picture Puspa, I think. There in the last climax, you were speaking about the brand that one carries. And we wearing this t-shirt, carrying this logo on the t-shirt, is the brand of every alumni of Vikas, the TKS alumni. You can understand the visualization of these great people, the founders, Anand Ravji and his team, being from a farming community, designing this logo, symbolizing the concept, the idea of Kosala School. There you can see the two, one elderly and one young kid standing in the logo, speaks about a student to be led by a teacher into the temple of learning. And the agrarian round the logo speaks about the vision, dreams and commitment of the farming community which made this school to this extent. And this temple of learning has produced the products that are sitting here. Many of the doctors settle across the country and across the globe. Many of the best entrepreneurs, professionals, chartered accountants, even we have alumni who are into the administrative services. Of course, they could not able to make it today, but this is the end result. This is the pride that we are carrying. And already Bhaskar has announced, few of these t-shirts are left out. Dear friends, if you are not taking the t-shirt, take it. Put it on, if not today, tomorrow. You'll understand the feeling what I'm talking about. Wearing this alumni t-shirt. For the first time, all of us are wearing it. And when it's coming to, as we said, it's a community school. Many of the corporate schools might be flourishing, might be doing good. But this is a school which has been visualized with the sacred thoughts and still running with sacred intentions. And these schools need support. And I think maybe the corporate schools does not require alumni association. But this school definitely requires, because we have settled, this school has given us so much for every one of us. And we can contribute to the maximum that what we can. Maybe in form of tan man dhan tino ho sakta hai. We can contribute to this, and time has come because already we are late. we have to think of taking it forward. And I am sure the management of Kosala School sitting here are going to support us, because we are being a rural school. We will try our best in giving our services on the request of the management, if anything required, because many of you are skillfully settled in different arenas. Few of you are doctors, few of you are chartered accountants, few of you are even teaching profession. Few of you are into technology, and today this world is driven by technology. And whatever best can be done, maybe in form of extending our services, the skill that what we have, or maybe even we can think of doing some development works for the school. And more than that, being a rural place, there are many students, deprived section of the society are reading here. I heard, I came, it was exciting to learn when we came here for this alumni meet arrangements. That our own chairman, Subbarao, sitting here, has deposited some amount as a fixed deposit, and he is providing as a scholarship for the poorest of the poor students. That's what I heard from last week when we came here. We can think of many areas are there where we can contribute to this school. And I think forming an association in a positive direction is going to help immensely to stay together, get connected, and also do something, give back to the society, give back to our own school, because that's what we are being taught, sacrifice is joy. As said rightly by friend Sandeep, I think time has come where there are one or two proposals which I am going to share with you after discussion with our friends in last 7 days, that we are going to form an association with a membership fee. And apart from that, if few of you can think, can contribute financially, if you are that sound, as per your wish, you can contribute to your extent, which we are going to make a fund, and with the consent of the management of Kosala School, we can use the fund for the areas that what I am talking about, maybe supporting some poor students, helping for some infrastructure, and of course, apart from that, any skill that you have, a competition that you have in your area, we can extend as a help to our school. And there is a proposal from friends that I am putting in front of you. It's not my proposal only. That we will fix an amount for the membership fee, and that membership fee will be a one-time payment, which we are going to contribute and be a member of TKS Alumni Association. And apart from that, any fund that anybody wants to contribute can be announced here by you. And once, if we decide to form an association, we are going to prepare bylaws, we are going to open an account, and once account is open, we are going to maintain the transparency of the account that we have been doing here. And of course, these get-togethers are going to be part of our yearly calendar for every one of us. That's what I feel and I wish. And I request all of you to please, first of all, let's take a call on whether it is necessary or it's convenient to form an association in the name of TKS Alumni Association. If you say yes, I request all of you to raise your hands and give your support. Both the hands is unanimous. One hand is unanimous. One hand is majority. Right? Thank you so much. In that case, what should be the amount of registration of a membership for Alumni Association? I think better to discuss open. Let's not discuss later. No, it's not okay. You can give a proposal. The only reason, Dr. Saab, one thing we should keep in mind, that each and every alumni, irrespective of their financial status, should be in a position to be a member. This I think less the amount, Dr. Saab, the best, what the convenient is, because many of our alumni may not be in a good financial position. They want to become a member. So let's keep the membership somewhere convenient for every section. And after that, when it's coming to fundraising, it all depends on an individual that how much you want to contribute for your school. Yeah, then in that case, shall we fix 2,000? Majority are saying 2,000, I think. Right, round of applause. Big, give a clap and give a support on this proposal of 2,000 rupees for the this thing. Second is fundraising. Of course, it's up to us. You can say now, you can say later. I think we'll not discuss in open. It's up to you that how you are going to communicate it to the team. But as I said, we'll form a small core committee which is going to take the lead and see that things happen, things are in place, so that tomorrow, next year when we meet for this type of meet, maybe here or some place, it should be officially called as a TKS Alumni Association, which is there for the cause of the school and also as a whole for the society. In that case, I think, shall we for a core committee? What should be the formation of core committee and how, any proposals from your side? Now that is there, but I think there's a representation of every batch from 83 to 99. Let the core committee, this is my own proposal, 83 to 99, let there be a couple of people from every batch. It will be going to be around 30 members, and those 30 are going to decide on the other aspects of formation, and
members should be in odd numbers.
yeah, that we can decide.
31, 33, because when you vote, one vote always counts.
Okay, right. That's not an issue, but initially it's not two members. Why I'm saying we can meet often and we can discuss on how to take it forward. Because today, in such a big gathering, with less time, it's not possible to decide on the office bearers and other things. Let us decide on two people. Let every batch nominate two people who are going to be part of decision making, and their decision of all these 30 or 31, the majority decision is going to be binded to every batch.
How do you propose for the members from the committee, the present committee, to be part of it? Because for us it becomes more easier to be more communicable.
No, two members, two alumni from every batch.
From the managing committee of the present school.
We will sit with the management committee, because we have to take because we didn't ask till now. We'll take their concern, how they want and how they'll be a part of it. We'll discuss, Sandeep. This, it will take a time. That's why I'm saying these 30 people are going to meet at some point of time. At some point of time. If you understood, because we'll select around 31 odd people, and they will take few decisions on formation of association and its office bearers, how to take forward in consultation with our management who's sitting here. Because meeting 30 often is easy than calling all batches together once again, taking a call. Like two people each batch, so that they can communicate to their batches what decision is being happening. If we can have even 30 also at times, maybe we have to have ritual. Even if required, when we'll have a final call, when we put everything, as you suggested, we'll have one virtual meeting, and we are going to let the decision taken once again for a majority, and to make every people understand what decision we have taken. Right? Any other suggestion in this, Sandeep?
No, I follow you. I follow you.
Okay, thank you.
Are we limiting the association up till 1999 batch?
No. That's what one very good point you raised, because we were not able to coordinate with all the batches till last year, 2020 batch. We have done it because we want to start, but they'll be also part of this alumni association, 2002, even 2019, and if required, we are going to be in touch with the main people who are active in their own batches, and we will also try to make them take into confidence and bring them into this association. One person from each batch.
I- i- If there are, for example, if there are till date, if there are about 40 batches, then we need 40 members plus one member.
Right, that we'll keep in mind, Sandeep, because you are a High Court advocate from Delhi, you are speaking
No,
legal.
not that. I just giving
understand.
you a lawful point.
No, understand. You're right,
Just to make
absolutely
it
right.
very smooth.
Right. Yes, sir. We'll have for lunch, sir. Please, we'll go for lunch. But before you go, sir, just small announcement, sir. Definitely, this is one thing we'll discuss with you about how we'll let you know. But just small announcement before you go, sir. We have, because it was sitting arrangement, we arranged few chairs here. And there was some noble thought from a few of our alumni members. They told that anyway we are bringing chairs here, why we'll bring on rent? We'll purchase and we are going to leave out the chairs and donate it to your auditorium that you have here. I think 200 chairs. 200 chairs have come up, sir. And it's a small, it's a small gesture from our side. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. This small gesture on part of our alumni today, but hopefully, and a few photographs are there, sir. Few photographs are there on the back side. We have displayed. We are going to leave it here. I have only small request is when school is going to reopen after this winter break, if you can put in your hall so the students will see the photographs of the last 30-35 years. Thank you so much.
This alumni meet is an inspiration for other batches, you see. From 99 onwards, how many batches are there? It is an inspiration for them. And I thank you all for this get together and for the nice arrangements you have made for the alumni.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Please sit. Yeah, please. Where is the message? 2 minutes, please. Because the person who we all of us missed here, and he too missing all of us, because he's very active in our group. Because whenever we people were trying to request him to come in the group, he was becoming very emotional in his replies, because he was somehow preoccupied with some family function of his. He could not be able to come here. I'm going to read out the message sent by the person who draw a roadmap for this school in these many years. And I was there at Delhi, where I got a privilege of getting felicitated on the same platform where he was felicitated. And there, you'll not believe, when his citation was read, when they were reading, a teacher from DPS Delhi leaving that opportunity and coming down to a rural school in western part of Odisha, you'll not believe, everybody in the audience in that particular Leela ambience in Gurgaon stood up and clapped for Madhav sir, because he left the metro Delhi, capital city, and came down to Kosala school here. This was, everybody after the felicitation came rushing to him and asking how that school and how he were able to get inspired to go to a rural place, that to place like Odisha. And he was attached so heavily with all of us till now, that even education world was felicitated sir when they came to know about his contribution for the school. Next month, January last, Education World, the leading magazine in education, is coming down, a team is coming from Delhi to completely cover a documentary on our Kosala school in the month of next January last. I think it's a great, this is also a contribution by our alumni when we are going to see that our school is going to be published and is going to be taken to the national level when readers are going to read about the school. A message from sir. Good morning, everybody. Someone said that one doesn't know the value of a moment till it becomes a memory. You are going to build this moment into a memory of memories. Applause to initiators and influencers to get alumni across years for me. 1979, year of child was like yesterday. Those memories never faded away. It was the year when school's founding fathers made a small beginning in making their dream into reality. You have done them proud. Today makes another beginning for bonding and comrade. Recall, rejoice, and remember, you are one family. Wish you all a joyous times. It's a message from our own principal, Madharav sir. Thank you so much.
Lunch. We have prizes here for the children who have won the prizes in our sports. Before that, it was a great moment for all of us to associate and reunite here after maybe I think 35 years. The first batch left the school. And as it is the time for lunch now, I just want to thank each and everyone, the chairman and the managing committee of the Kosala School, along with all my gurus, ma'ams and sirs, who graced this occasion with their presence, and all my dear elder brothers, my friends and younger brothers, along with their family members, who have come in large numbers to make this all. Yeah, sisters also. All are one family now. Very few sisters have come now, that's why they are negligible now. So all sisters also who have enthusiastically participated in even running race also. So thank you all for being here, and hope we are going to have same type of alumni meets in coming years after formation of this association. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Kosala.
100% filled today, and that made us very happy. And our program is super duper success. From my side, I give a prize to 1986 batch. They are the most wonderful batch. And every one of you, really, I'm grateful, and we are grateful to our beloved teachers who really made time from all their busy schedule and came in large number. We had 30 plus teachers today to attend our program, and we had non-teaching staff also. And we are grateful to the management committee for their support and help in this get-together. First ever TKS alumni get-together. Thank you very much for attending. It is because of all of you that we could succeed in doing this get-together. And I would, with folded hands, request everyone that at least every year, everybody should come and meet for a day or a half a day to celebrate our family, Khosla family, TKS family. And as Krishna Bhaiya, DMK Bhaiya, we used to call him very fondly. As he said, we are forming our TKS Alumni Association. Everybody whom you know and who have not come to this get-together should intimate them that we are forming this alumni association. It is a charitable association, purely charitable association. We'll be funding the charitable association through our generous donations, and the donations has no limit. From 1 rupee to whatever amount you want to spend, you want to donate, you can donate, and it will be completely, not disclosed to anybody. So don't think anything. Whatever you feel like donating for your Khosla, for your own school, please donate, and that will be definitely useful to our school for the development of our school or whatever we can do. But every year we should meet here again and again to celebrate our brotherhood, to celebrate our TKS family. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, CSK. And my special thanks to all my brothers and sisters. Those who really helped and made this program successful. Even I can't name each and everyone, especially some few people, they work very hard. I can name them from 1991 batch, some 4 are very active. MB Subramaniam is the more enthusiastic and energetic, and we have Jitesh Agarwal, Saroj Meher, and Dilip Agarwal. These 4 are the main pillars, and this total program has been designed by our DMK Dada. So round of applause to him. Is the guiding force for all this, and apart from this, some of the local boys who are the alumni of our this Khosla, some Narendra and some other people, they are very much active, and they all work very hard, and even Pawan Agarwal from Gudbaga, the 89 batch, who has taken the total charge of our catering. And the total people who have helped us to have smoothly the lunch and all the things, the Nuwa Khairpali people. Some of the boys, they are after 2000 and still they came and involved in it and helped us. So really I thank them from my core of heart. So it's a great teamwork by each and everyone, and even our teachers, Joshna ma'am and Madhu ma'am, they both helped us a lot to collect the total list of teachers along with phone numbers. So it was easy to contact each and everyone, and it was a great get together for each of us. Now it is the time for the entertainment. I hope all will enjoy it, and all will be participating in it. We'll have a DJ now. And my special thanks to Papara Chaudhary Garu. Since morning he was very much busy seeing that each and everyone should be taken care, and nor is a alumni nor is the management member of the school, but the involvement he has shown, the attachment he has for the Kosala and Kosalites, it shows by his presence and involvement. Thank you, Papara Chaudhary Garu, and thank to each and everyone. Yeah, photographer Suresh is the alumni, and his total team has worked here freely for photography of this total program. So thanks Suresh and his team, and even I thank the sound people, Basu, and tent Prabir from Rengali camp, and due to support of all these people, this couldn't happen, and I thank each and everyone. May I forgot some names, but still I thank from my personal side. Thank you.
Before we wind up, there is one more person who is left out, whom we need to thank. You have been listening him since this morning. He has helped us a lot. He is Mr. G. Bhaswar.
He is the executor.